Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use a data transfer app. These handy tools make moving your precious data between devices incredibly simple. Whether you're upgrading to a new phone or just backing up important files, a good data transfer app can save you hours of effort. We'll cover everything from preparation to successful completion, ensuring your photos, contacts, and messages arrive safely at their new home. Let's dive right in and make your data migration smooth and stress-free. Before initiating any transfer, a little preparation goes a long way. First, make sure both your old and new devices are charged to at least 50% or, ideally, plugged into power. Next, download and install your chosen data transfer app on both devices. A stable internet connection, like a strong Wi-Fi signal, is also crucial for a seamless experience. Taking these few moments to prepare will help prevent interruptions and ensure a successful data migration. Now for the main event, transferring your data. Open the app on both your old and new devices. You'll typically see prompts to connect them, often using a QR code or a short numerical PIN. Once connected, the app will display categories of data you can move, like photos, videos, or messages. Carefully select what you need, then hit the transfer button. Keep both devices close and avoid using them until the process finishes, which might take several minutes to an hour, depending on data volume. Congratulations, your data should now be on your new device. The final, crucial step is to verify everything. Take a few minutes to browse your new phone, check your contacts, scroll through your photo gallery, and confirm your messages are all there. If anything seems amiss, most apps offer a retry option for specific data types. Once you're satisfied, you can safely wipe your old device if you plan to sell or recycle it. Enjoy your new device with all your memories intact.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.